In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy on Craigslist, a great platform for finding deals on used and new items from local sellers. Whether you're looking for furniture, electronics, or anything in between, Craigslist can be a treasure trove of bargains. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to make your first purchase seamlessly. Start by visiting the Craigslist website. It's important to ensure you're on the correct site for your area. Craigslist is organized by location, so you'll want to choose the city or region closest to you from the home page. This will help you find listings that are nearby, making it easier to arrange pickups or viewings if needed. Once you've selected your area, you'll find the home page filled with various categories. Have a look around and click on the category that matches what you're interested in buying. For instance, if you're in the market for a couch, you might want to explore the furniture section. Craigslist categorizes listings to make your search more efficient, so take advantage of this feature. After selecting a category, browse through the listings. You can narrow down your search by using the filters available. Pay attention to the details in the listings, such as the condition of the item, the price, and any additional notes the seller might have included. When you find something that catches your eye, go ahead and click on the listing to open it. Now that you've opened the listing, take a few moments to read through it carefully. Look at the pictures provided and read the seller's description. This is crucial because it helps you assess whether the item meets your criteria and is worth pursuing. If everything looks good and you're interested in purchasing the item, it's time to contact the seller. To contact the seller, click on the reply button located at the top of the listing page. This will give you several options for getting in touch, such as email, phone call, or text message. Choose the method you're most comfortable with. When contacting the seller, be polite and clear about your interest. It's always a good idea to ask any questions you might have about the item that weren't covered in the listing. Once you've made contact, discuss logistics like the price, payment method, and pickup arrangements. Meeting in a public place during daylight hours when possible is a good safety practice. Always bring a friend if you can, and trust your instincts. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you're ready to explore Craigslist and find some amazing deals. Happy shopping, and may you find exactly what you're looking for.